Why is nobody talking about this credit union that anyone can join? In today's video, we're going to tell you guys about the United States Postal Service Federal Credit Union and the great products that they offer. Gloria, let's jump into it.
Okay, Marvin, let's dive into the first card, which is the Visa Platinum Rewards card. Now, with this card, Marvin, it has some great rewards because it's 0% introductory rate for the first 12 billing cycles. So that means you have no interest. I love that after you open the account, okay? Also, it has a low interest rate of 13.15%. Now, keep in mind, money magnets, this card will never go above 18% for your interest rate. So that right there is a cash flow changer. This card also offers no annual fee, so you don't have to pay anything to hold the card in your wallet, as well as there's no transaction fees. There's a 25-day grace period on all purchases, and you also get travel insurance. Now, Marvin and I are big time travelers, so this card right here is one that you don't want to sleep on. This card goes all the way up to $35,000, so that's a pretty nice limit. This card also has baggage delay insurance, so if your bags come late, they made some changes, money magnets, so you might want to look into that. This right here will cover it, as well as cell phone protection. Marvin, let's look at what other benefits this credit union has to offer.
All right, Gloria, let's jump into the Visa Platinum card. With this card, you also get 0% for 12 months. And for all you guys that have high interest credit cards with balances on them, is no fees to do a balance transfer. So I would think about moving those balances over and get interest free for 1 year. Also, it has no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, no minimum finance charge, and you get a 25-day grace period on all purchases. And they have $1 million in travel accident insurance. And like Gloria said about the other card, this card also goes up to 35,000. Now, for you guys that are trying to build credit, Gloria, tell them about the secure card they have.
Okay, so Marvin, the secure card comes with some of the same benefits and it goes up to $35,000 as well. So, if you're looking to rebuild your credit, this would be a great credit union for you to get started with. Now, Marvin, let's dive into the personal loans and see what they have over there.
All right, if you guys are looking to consolidate some debt, they offer a personal line and a personal loan. And guess what? You can use this for anything that you need in your personal life. Guys, they give you terms up to 60 months, no collateral required, and they have competitive rates. So if you got some high interest credit cards, once again, instead of making 3 payments or 4 payments on credit card balances, why not do a debt consolidation for yourself? Put all those balances on one personal loan. Now you got one payment, and guess what, guys? Your credit score goes up. And remember, for all of you who are looking to raise up to $250,000 for your business, make sure you set up a free business strategy call with Gloria and myself. Look in the description below. Now, Gloria, let's tell them about the auto loans.
Okay, so Marvin, I love this one because with the auto loans, they go up to 84 months, okay? And if you happen to buy a eco-friendly car, you get a 0.25% discount. Now that right there can most definitely change the game for those of you who are looking to buy maybe a hybrid vehicle or even a electric vehicle. And also, think about this, when you're buying a vehicle, this credit union goes up to $75,000 with 125% LTV. And that's your loan to value rate. So whatever the car is worth, they'll go up to 125%. So that means you can, add your tags, titles, that's less money that you will have to come out of pocket, money magnets. Now, also with this particular loan, you can get pre-approved. So guess what? You don't have to worry about, I got to wonder, will I get approved or will I not get approved? You can go ahead and get pre-approved for, buying a vehicle, Marvin.
Hey, and look, everybody, make sure you like and share this video. Also, if anybody has any experience with the United States Postal Service Federal Credit Union, make sure you drop a comment below because we'd like to learn more data points about it. We know that anyone can join. We found it out because we called today. They pulled TransUnion, and guess what, guys? It's not geo-locked.
Marvin, I love that. This credit union has a lot of good benefits. I don't know why no one is talking about this credit union, Marvin, because this credit union does have a lot of great benefits.
All right, Gloria, let's jump into the mortgages. What I love about this credit union, they give you a $500 credit at closing for members in their relationship rewards program. So make sure if you're joining this credit union to ask about the relationship rewards program, because they'll give you highly competitive rates. The only thing about the FHA, you can only do that in DC, Virginia, and Maryland. Also, they'll give you assistance in completing and scheduling your closing. You get discounts on homeowners insurance, and they also have a home advantage cash rewards program. So if you're a first-time home buyer in DC, Virginia, or Maryland, I would definitely check this credit union out. And also for anybody else in other states, they actually have mortgage brokers that are listed on the website that you can get in touch with. Now, the mortgages may not be available in all states, but it's worth a shot to give them a call and see if they represent your state.
Okay, Marvin, let's not forget that they do offer a home equity line of credit. Now, one thing that I love about their line of credit is you can draw off of it for up to 15 years, okay? And their rates are pretty low, as well as you have little to no closing costs. So if you do happen to have closing costs, it's only going to be up to $1,000. So I love that a lot of times they put caps on whatever the charge is going to be. So you can kind of know what to expect, Marvin.
Yes. And Gloria, so let's do a quick recap on how they join and what bureau they pull. So that way, when somebody goes to apply, they know exactly what they're looking for.
Okay, so with this particular credit union, you can join a nonprofit in order to join the credit union with as little as $5 into a savings or checking account. And they pull TransUnion for their products. And I love the fact that you can get pre-approved.
And look, guys, I would make sure I have a 700 score and above on my TransUnion with less than 3 inquiries. Also, make sure you have nothing in check systems, because most credit unions will pull your check systems. Now, for anybody retired postal or currently working at the post office, guess what? You can join and all your family members can. Now, keep in mind, like Gloria said, for everybody else to join, when you go on the website and you say, I want to be a new member of the United States Postal Service Federal Credit Union, it'll give you a drop down and it'll give you the actual nonprofit that you should join in order to become a member. I think it's like $45 a year. But with these kind of limits on their credit cards, the type of terms they have on their personal loan and the auto loan, I think is worth it, guys. You guys definitely ought to check this out, but make sure you like and share this video. We're on our road to 6,000 subscribers, guys. Make sure you subscribe as well.
And Marvin, let's not forget, Money Magnets, keep in mind, when you're looking to apply for products with this credit union, they are going to want to see identification and they may ask for check stubs.
And the great thing I loved about this credit union, you can do just about everything online, and they have great customer service. I actually called them and talked to them. They were able to answer all our questions, so we can give you all this great info on this video.
And Marvin, that's another thing. Money Magnets, don't hesitate. When we're dropping these credit unions, give them a call if you have additional questions, because a lot of times they are most definitely willing to give you the information that you're looking for. Hold up, Marvin, because I have a gem. Okay, Money Magnets, if there's another credit union that you want to see with high limits, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.